One day a small kitten was walking on the road with a dirty t-shirt.
Look at this fresh mackerel on ice. The best catch of the day right here.
Hey, that is my fish. Give it back right now.
দুঃখ করো না,